thanks a lot for watching Kennedy Bobie Entertainment, your #1 YouTube channel. Yeah, we do really appreciate all the struggle you're putting in to make this channel #1. Keep telling other people also to subscribe to the YouTube channel, yeah, to watch all these videos. Here next to me I have my brother, that is none other than Belmos. Yeah, many of you might have heard about his transfer, yeah, from Unity FM to another one biggest radio station in Lira. So people want to hear a lot from Belmos. That's why we decided to bring him in this yet another interview. So Belmos, thanks a lot for joining us in this interview.
Thank you, brother.
Yeah. When you talk about Belmos, what do you mean? Can you also tell us your full name and make people out there know about you, Belmos?
Well, as the name says, my name is Belmos. Belmos. To make it full. G-O-M. Just that simple name is Belmos.
Wow.
I'm a celebrated radio presenter, radio personality.
Yeah.
3 years now in the radio business, and
wow.
so far I think things are going good.
3 years.
Yes.
So Belmos, which means you started in 2000?
That was in 2007.
2007.
This is now the 4th year.
Wow.
No, I don't still count it a year. The year is still young, still very young.
Okay. You started from which radio station initially?
Well, initially I started from Choice FM.
Choice FM. Cool.
Then before I came to Unity FM,
yeah,
where I actually grew my lots of audience and lots of followers. Anyway, I grew it from Unity FM.
Wow.
And definitely right now, this world is a world of change.
Yeah.
Changes come and we have to abide by the change.
Wow.
And right now, at Radio 89.8
here. So, Belmos, can you tell us your experience in Radio Unity?
Well, I must say, okay, before I go there,
yeah,
Bobie, I need to clear the air about my transfer from Unity FM.
Yeah, by the way, it's a great question.
Because, you know, I've been getting lots of questions.
Yeah.
Why did you leave Unity? What suddenly happened? First thing first, I want to clear the air that there are lots of rumors that have been going on that I fell out with my boss, DJ Cool. But I want to tell you that
your boss and your friend.
My boss, and of course, he's a friend, he's a father, he's everything to me.
Wow.
I want to tell you guys that there is absolutely no bad blood between me and DJ Cool.
By the way,
in other words, you may be surprised.
Yeah.
When I told him that, boss, I want to join Radio 1. He is the one who actually gave a big hand in me joining Radio 1. Now, someone would say, why? The reason is, while at Unity FM, I was given all the opportunity to do what I could, and I actually offered my best. Now, Radio 1 came, okay, this is something that should have remained personal, but just to clear the air, I have to let the people know that. They offered me a job. I looked at their offer, I compared to the other offer, I gave it to my boss. They say, boss, these guys say I should join them. This is their offer. The boss says, if you can't be patient and wait for me to match this offer in the next 4 months, I'm very happy that you can live happily when you have no bad blood. So, in general, I left because they kind of gave me a better offer. Wow. That's one. Two, we have to venture in other places. You know, they say when you want to eat from the mother, you think she's the best cook. So
you have to explore.
Yeah, to some extent, you know, at Unity FM, you know, I've always been this very. Actually, I wasn't hardworking. You know, I wasn't hardworking because I knew there was no pressure on me.
Yeah.
The boss was there. Anyway, that what made people so much surprised about my transfer was how could it be? Because me and the boss we could sing the same show, always in the hangouts we are together, you know, we did everything together, so people knew that could be there was something bad, but I just want to say there is nothing bad. Now back to the question, my experience in the radio. You know, this issue of the radio, it's really a very competitive business.
Yeah.
It's a very competitive job. It calls for mostly in the aspect of presentation. It calls for lots of creativity, lots of research, and first of all, what we all fight for is listenership. You know, when you are able to grab the listenership, the biggest number of listenership, definitely that means you got all the things that are creativity, lots of research, and you have to make fun.
Wow.
That's what makes a good presenter.
To make you build a strong brand of yourself.
Definitely.
Wow. Belmos, in some cases, we find that when someone is leaving a particular radio station to some other radio station, many people think that maybe when you're leaving, the impact may cause some enmity between the bosses and maybe the person who is transferring. But to your case, I'm very surprised. Now that you've cleared the hair, we're now knowing the position, because many people have been wondering, Belmos and DJ Cool, they're all together. What has happened? What is all that?
Together. Even this evening we shall be together.
Wow. That is what we call art of a winner.
Yes.
So, how are you feeling in Radio 1? Well, generally,
it's still it's just a start, a new environment, new bosses, you know, different policies altogether. I remember this is a religious radio, it's a Catholic radio.
Yeah, Catholic.
So the code of conduct might differ from where I was before. Yeah. But generally, we are trying. Give it time, I will settle down.
Just waiting to see that, waiting to witness that. Belmos, apart from that, other people from outside who want to join the media fraternity like you guys are also yearning more. What advice can you give those people? The people who want to be like you?
Just as I told you, the world right now is very competitive. Yeah, that's one. Radio, like to be a presenter, first of all, sometimes it's not all about the books, it's not all about the school, it's the talent. Now, you got that talent. One problem that we have here in Africa is it's very hard for a parent or even ourselves to identify what our talent, where our talents lie. But now, just as an individual, if you have love for the media, if you have love for the radio, love for the TV, one thing, identify yourself that I want this. Then definitely you have to know that UCC is there. Unlike those days, you just get a friend like DJ Cool is my friend. You know, Cool, I love the media. Just come to the radio, guy, and give it a platform, and then you explore your talent. No one will follow you up. But now UCC needs people who are qualified. So you got first of all to get the papers. That is one. Go to school, read hard. Pass with flying colors. You know there are very many people who really want this. So when you really have your papers, you can join the radio. One other thing, I really want to tell the people, it's not, this is a job. This is a profession. This is not fun as people think. This is a profession. Because when you go to the radio, like a very celebrated radio like mine, Unity FM and right now Radio 1, you have to make scripts, you have to present, you have to organize yourself before you go on air. And it's not out of the blue. It needs lots and lots of research. So when first of all you want to make it, if you want to make it in the media, what you want, you must be a very, very good researcher. That is one. And two, you must be somebody who loves to learn AEA.
Wow. So Belmos, thanks a lot for this interview. Next time when we call you, don't hesitate, come talk to the people out there.
Before I go off, I have a brand. This is called Agobex. I have the brand ambassador.
Agobex.
We deal in general hardware. Okay. So this one is also there. We have the t-shirts.
Wow.
So if you need it, you can contact me. You can reach the reception of Radio 1. You can reach the reception of Unity FM.
Wow.
I'm still there. Matches and both. Thank you.
Thanks a lot for watching all this. We say bye-bye. Keep it there. We are front page launch.
Bye.